Welcome, fellow anglers, to a sneak peek into the future of fishing. Today, we're diving deep into the best 5 fishing gear innovations of 2024. From cutting-edge rods to advanced reels, we've scoured the market to bring you the ultimate angler's arsenal. But here's the catch, pun intended, stay tuned till the end for a game-changing surprise that will revolutionize your fishing experience. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of fishing with the Ghosthorn fishing rod and reel combo. This telescopic wonder promises a top-notch fishing experience with its lightweight design and impressive features. Let's break down why this might just be the perfect gift for the angler in your life. First up, let's talk about the 30-ton graphite telescopic fishing rod. The all-graphite construction not only sheds 20% of the weight compared to carbon fiberglass blends but also ensures a more responsive and firm experience. The ceramic guide ring, using weaving resin technology, adds durability by preventing guide ring mishaps. Now, onto the fishing reel, a true game-changer. Ghosthorn goes the extra mile with upgraded carbon fiber drag washers, boasting a powerful drag system with a staggering 34.3 pounds per 15.6 kilograms stopping power. The use of one-way no-gap stainless steel bearings and all-metal rocker arms ensures smoothness without sacrificing strength. It's the use of a fantastic rod and reel if it's a pain to carry around. Fear not. This telescopic fishing rod collapses down to a mere 17 inches, fitting snugly into backpacks. Perfect for those hiking and camping trips to snag bass, crappie, walleye, and trout in lakes and streams, looking for the ideal gift for a fishing enthusiast. The Ghosthorn fishing kit has you covered. With high-end features and a compact design, it's a unique and thoughtful present for any fisherman. Whether it's Father's Day, Valentine's Day, or a birthday. It's the gift that keeps on giving, catch after catch. In conclusion, Ghosthorn stands behind its product, offering a 1-year warranty for any defective fishing pole and a 30-day no-hassle refund/return policy. So, why wait? Dive into the Ghosthorn fishing rod and reel combo, your ticket to a real-wide great fishing experience. Happy fishing. Number 4. The world of fishing gear with a review on the Sugalong spinning fishing rod and reel combos. If you're all about portable, telescopic fishing poles that work like a charm in both saltwater and freshwater, you're in for a treat. Let's get started, looking for options. Sugalong has you covered with 6 size kits, each featuring a high-quality fishing pole and a spinning reel. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's a kit for every angler out there. Crafted with a mix of high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass, this fishing pole is hard, durable, and ready for action. The SCII ceramic guide ring adds a touch of finesse, enhancing heat dissipation and making it an ideal companion for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Now, let's talk about the reel. Boasting 13-1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings, precision-matched gears, and a powerful 5.5-to-1 gear ratio, this reel delivers ultra-smooth performance. The CNC machined aluminum handle is interchangeable for right or left-handed use, and the aerospace-grade aluminum honeycomb design spool provides strength without compromising on weight, heading on a fishing adventure. This combo is lightweight and portable, fitting easily in your car trunk, boat, or backpack. Sugalong ensures you can travel to your favorite fishing spots, making it a perfect companion for anglers on the go. As the icing on the cake, Sugalong stands by its product with a worry-free 1-year service. If any issues arise, their customer service has your back. Contact them, and they'll swiftly solve any problems, ensuring your fishing experience stays smooth and enjoyable. And there you have it, folks. The Sugalong spinning fishing rod and reel combos offer a perfect blend of durability, precision, and portability. With size options for everyone and a solid warranty to back it up, it's a win-win for any angler. Tight lines and happy fishing. Number 3. The world of fishing gear with a review of the Sugalong fishing rod combos. If you're a fishing enthusiast who loves exploring new spots, stay tuned because this combo might just be your perfect catch. Let's start by unpacking the essentials. Inside the sleek fishing carrier bag, you'll find a high-density carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod, a precision-engineered fishing reel, 3 enticing lures, fishing line, and other must-have accessories. Crafted from a blend of high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass, this rod is not only hard and durable but also boasts a lightweight design. The SCII ceramic guide ring ensures lower friction, making it sturdy, while the International Advanced Epoxy Resin Adhesive enhances its solidity. The reel is a game-changer with 13-1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings, precision gears, and a potent 5.5-to-1 gear ratio, providing ultra-smooth performance. The CNC machined aluminum handle is interchangeable. And the aerospace-grade aluminum honeycomb spool adds strength without the weight. Perfect for anglers on the move, this combo is lightweight and portable. Whether it's in your car trunk, on a boat, or in your backpack, the Sugalong combo ensures you're always ready for your next fishing adventure. To top it off, Sugalong offers a worry-free 1-year service. If you encounter any issues, their responsive customer service is ready to solve them, ensuring you have a stress-free fishing experience. In conclusion, the Sugalong fishing rod combo is a reliable companion for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. With its durability, portability, and top-notch features, it's a fantastic choice for anglers who want quality without breaking the bank. Happy fishing! Number 2. The world of angling with the KastKing fishing rod and reel combos. This combo promises a unique design, premium features, and is hailed as the perfect gift for both beginners and seasoned anglers. Let's reel in the details. KastKing's X-Wrap Protect design isn't just eye-catching, it's a game-changer for everyone, from dads to moms, kids to grandparents. The blaze pattern design adds a touch of style while ensuring capabilities and comfortability for professionals and recreational fishers alike. Crafted with lightweight and responsive high-volume fiber carbon, this rod delivers premium tensile strength. The high-performance slim design, EVA foam grips, and carbon oxide metal guides with ceramics make for a firm grip, ensuring a seamless fishing experience with minimal winding. The KastKing YO3000 fishing reel boasts a 12-1 full metal body inside plate, high carbon fiber machined aluminum reel seat, and a hydrophobic line roller bearing. The split design grip maximizes lightness and comfort, with a gear ratio of 5.2-to-1 for optimal performance. Stand out on the water with the KastKing's value-packed features, including a night luminous tip end for enhanced visibility and an incredible cross-wrap detail painted by a top-level fishing rod designer. It's not just a tool, it's a work of art, suitable for various fishing scenarios. This combo is a versatile choice for panfish, trout, walleye, bass, catfish, and more. Packaged in an exquisite gift box, it's the ideal choice for a Father's Day gift or for any fishing enthusiast. The value offered by KastKing truly can't be beaten. Tropical fish. In conclusion, the KastKing fishing rod and reel combos live up to the hype, combining style, functionality, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, this combo is a fantastic investment and an even better gift. Happy fishing, everyone! Number 1. The world of fishing gear with the Piscifun telescopic fishing rod and reel combos full kit. If you're a novice or a seasoned pro, this comprehensive kit claims to have it all. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing this fishing set feels like Christmas morning. The full kit with carrier case includes not one, but 2 fishing rods and reels, fishing lines, various lures, hooks, and all the necessary accessories neatly packed in a convenient carrier bag. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit is a one-stop shop for all your fishing needs. No need to scramble for additional gear, Piscifun has you covered. It's a perfect grab-and-go solution for those eager to hit the water without the hassle of piecing together a setup. Crafted from a blend of high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass, the fishing pole boasts perfect elasticity, making it both hard and durable. The stainless steel hooded reel seats resist seawater corrosion, while the EVA foregrip ensures comfort during those long fishing sessions. The telescopic design adds portability, and the closed length makes it easy to carry around. The reel, with 12-1 shielded bearings, offers instant anti-reverse and a power drive gear for high strength. The deep aluminum spool with dual color and one-line holes provides ample line capacity. Gear ratio of 5.2 to 1 and specifications like mm/m 0.20/240 0.25/200 0.30/140, this combo is ready for action. Looking for a fantastic Father's Day gift? Look no further. This Placino combo is an angler's dream, making it an ideal present for your father, husband, fiancé, or boyfriend. Want a single rod or reel? Check out the specific ASINs mentioned for individual options. In conclusion, the Placino telescopic fishing rod and reel combo's full kit truly delivers a bang for your buck. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler, this kit's got your back. So, tighten those lines and get ready for a fantastic fishing experience. So that wraps up our list of the best fishing gear in 2024, hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our TheReview Anatomy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.